Yo, Learning Machines. This is a quick income update for December 30th, and it's nighttime right now, as you can see out there. Let me refresh real quick. Why not? There you go. As you can see, everything's still the same. Just affiliate marketing and sweepstake marketing on Max Bounty. And it's extremely powerful to do. Anyone can do it. You can do it too. Hopefully that inspires you. And at the end of the day, basically how I did that, and I talk about this in a lot of videos, but it inspires people and it sparks that just desire to want to make money online. And then I have a massive YouTube channel that I just push these sweepstake offers to. And these sweepstake offers convert like wildfire 24/7 all day long, probably as I'm talking right now. And the day's not even over yet. And it'll just keep going higher. And it's an amazing income stream. It took me a while to build, but if I wanted to restart from scratch, I could basically accelerate that. And I teach how to do that inside the sweepstake course. I wanted to let you guys know that making money online is very real. My name is Benjamin Fairborn. I'm 21 years old. I definitely make $1 million a year right now, or more than that. And literally last year, I was making like, I don't know how much it was, but I think it was like 10 grand to 20 grand last year, which was 2019. Today, this is 2020, the end of 2020. December is the last month out of the year. And all I'm saying is I'm very happy because I made $1 million and higher than that this year from all my different income streams. And it's amazing. And I'm at about 10K a day right now and higher. And it's gratifying, but I want more so I can just help the world, change the world, because with 10 grand a day, you really can't. Hopefully you guys feel inspired.